Hey guys, what's up? It's Shevy here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my first ever wig review and I'm super excited. The wig I'm going to be using is from IDefine Wigs. And I found this company just browsing Facebook one day. I saw one of their videos of the girls putting them on, installing them, and doing all of those stuff, and the wig was laid, and one thing led to another, and I bought it. So I just wanted to take y'all with me while I put together this wig, and this is my very first time putting it together on my channel, and I'm not a professional, so yes, I'm not a professional. So as you can see, I kind of went ahead and laid down a little wig cap, and this is actually one of the ones that came with the wig itself. It actually came with 2 packages of 2 of the deluxe wig caps, and it was 2 different colors. This one was a lighter color and this one was the darker color, but I went ahead and laid that down. I have braids under here, and I oiled my braids and all of that jazz. So anyway, y'all, let's just jump into the video. I'm gonna stop talking now, so y'all just enjoy the jams of whatever I choose, uncopyrighted of course. Okay guys, this is what the wig is looking like coming out of the box. I actually wanted to do an unboxing for y'all, but I literally just could not wait, because y'all haven't been doing my hair. It's been like a month and like what, 2 weeks, and I think I've done my hair once, maybe brushed my hair twice. Like this is her as I take her out. Oh, I don't know how to do this. Alright. Alrighty guys, so from this bag that I got along with the wig, I'm going to use the tweezers and I'm going to go ahead and start plucking a hairline along the wig. Bye. I love you, babe.
I love you more. You look amazing, by the way.
So this is something you'll see me do throughout the video. Right now I'm just plucking along the sides of my hairlines to try and make a more of a natural hairline, for me anyway. Something I like to do whenever I get a new wig is not only make like one part, but I'll try and do like multiple parts, like one in the middle and on both sides, like I'm doing here. I'm also going in and plucking the middle because I know like one of these days I'm probably gonna want to wear it, like, you know, with a little middle part. Sometimes I want to go for a side part and be sassy, you know. So I've seen some other videos and the girls like cut the lace on the sides right here, and I thought that would make it easier for me to cut the lace off, and it actually did. So maybe you should try that whenever you're customizing your wig at home. So I'm going in with my Got To Be Freeze Hold spray, and I'm just using this around my edges of my wig cap and going in pretty strong on the side of my edges by my ears, just because that's the part that always lifts up first for me. So immediately after, I go in with my hair dryer just to set the wig in place. At the same time, I'm using my fingers just to add a little bit of pressure to make the setting process just a little bit easier. And it's okay if you don't get the position right at first. Right now the glue is still tacky, so you can lift and reposition as needed. So right now I just got the styling process started. I'm using some mousse and I'm using some water, and I'm just running my fingers through the curls as my hair sets. I'm really impressed, y'all. I really am. Like, running my fingers through it when it was wet and had that mousse in there. It was super, super soft, and it was just so like luscious and bouncy and just full and amazing. So because the lace is gone and my hair is like a little bit styled now, it makes it a little bit easier to go in with my tweezers again and just kind of perfect my hairline a little bit, just to personalize it to how I would like it, you know. Okay, so I'm just adding some finishing touches to this wig. I'm adding some water and some Eco Styler gel, the olive oil one, and then I'm just gonna be kind of cutting down the hairline a little bit just to make some edges. And I know what y'all are thinking, oh no, she's not adding edges. I know some wigs just look really, really overdone whenever you add edges, but it's just my style, and I really wouldn't go anywhere unless I did my edges anyway. So yeah, you definitely don't have to. So just to add a little bit of shine, I'm going in with what I used for my braids under my wig, and that is just hair oil. I have not stopped using this since I bought it, which is good because I'm trying to get them inches, okay? If anybody out there is interested in ordering, I'll leave the link below in the description box. The last thing that I'm doing is adding a little bit of powder foundation throughout the part that I created earlier to make it more natural looking. Alright guys, so I think I'm all done and this is the final result and I hope you guys like it. I feel like it's really a good wig, I really do. It's soft and it's manageable and it's bouncy. And it's really full. I don't think I'm gonna do curly again for a while. I don't know why. I feel like curly hair was so much harder than straight hair for me to do. And I feel like I've always done straight hair. This is my very first time doing curly hair for a wig. And I don't know. I feel like she's a little hard to get used to. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one. I'm going to try and insert a poll after this video so you can choose which video you want to see next. I have a couple of them in mind and on the next screen, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you all subscribe to this channel if you're not already subscribed. We would love to have you. And don't forget to follow all my social medias because, well, what else do we have to do? It's quarantine! Alright guys, well I'll see y'all in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Peace and love.